Hello, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome to Ogo Hillary's page. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to be with you. In case you're not tuning in for the first time, I'm Ogo Hillary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help business owners, network marketers, and entrepreneurs to be able to know their targeted market and prospect using an online business tools that can be used in all the social media platforms to be able to generate leads and make more sales. I also assist investors. I can send you some information if you're interested in any of my online professional tools that will help you with the skill set you need to know about attraction marketing. Thank you so much once again. I'm so excited. Today I will be sharing with you a brief topic. And the title of my topic is How to Build a High Performance Organization, Part 1. How to build a high performance organization, Part 1. Excuse me. How to build a high performance organization, Part 1. What does it take to build a high performance organization? A high performance organization that is filled up with the kind of performance you want to have. I mean, people you want to show up with, the top earners, the people that are out there crushing it, the people that are out there making things happen. Because after all, will you agree that if you want to be a sustainable 6, even 7-figure business, you cannot do it alone? If you believe this and you are ready to build a high performance team, then today's topic is for you. Today I'm going to be talking about specifically some of the things that are required to build a high performance team. I'm going to give you some things you may have not thought about in the past. We should remember that in every movie there are different characters and scripts, and those characters and scripts are vital parts of every movie. My point to that is that if you want to build a sustainable 6-figure business, you and I know that you cannot do it all alone. It's not something that you simply show up, learn the tactics, and build a sweet flow. All of a sudden, you start making a 6-figure. No, it does not work that way. Especially in this industry, especially in this business model, it requires we build a strong team. We all agree with me that there's always a key role or characters in any movie. There's always a key role or character in any movie. How do we perform that key character or role in our business? How do we perform that key character or role in our business? Whether you are building a networking marketing business or you are out there building your own brand, and you know you have to build and lead the team, what is it you have to do? The first thing we have to do is that we have to be willing and committed to the business. In fact, we have to build a habit of just giving a little bit of extra effort each and every single time. I will use the workout analogy of a gym. I'm going to use the workout analogy of a gym. Imagine you have a workout. Imagine that somebody or a physical trainer has given you a workout regime. He said, okay, you are going to lift this particular amount of weight, and you are supposed to lift it 3 sets of 12 reps. You are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 12. You are going to do that 3 times. You know that after a while, you start building that muscle and strength. That if you really want to break through, if you really want to build that next level of strength, if you really want to have the ability to be much better than yourself, maybe that 12 rep ends hard enough. Maybe you get to that level that you get tired and you get to that 12. Is what if you gave 1 more? What if you gave 2 more? What if you are able to give 2 or 3 more reps above and beyond the one that was prescribed? Guess what? Just as in physical fitness, just as in building muscles, the same thing occurs when we give a lot of effort to our business. How often do we in our business give that little effort? How often in our business do we give that little effort? I want to ask ourselves that. How often in our business do we take our time to give that little effort? do we create room for improvement? How often? A lot of people will say, I did my best this week. That's it. I'm not saying it's bad. That's not bad. Which people are useful. But the question is, I'm going to challenge you right now is that how much extra effort are you willing to put right now and right here? How much extra effort are you willing to put right now and right here? What is that one extra repetition you might give right now, today, that could make a difference, not just for you and your business, but your team members, people you are bringing in, your clients, your prospects, your agents, your customers? Maybe today is a great day for you. Flip up that camera, go Facebook Live, share some wisdom, share something that you learned from this week, share some great new ideas. What is it that you can do right now? One thing. What is it that you can do right now? One thing that will be that little extra effort that will serve your client, prospect, team members. You are brought on board already, and those who are yet to come on board already. If you really want to build a high performance team to elevate your game while helping everybody else elevate theirs, you got to commit to a higher level of commitment and excellence. I repeat, if you really want to build a high performance team to elevate your game while helping everybody else elevate theirs, you got to commit to a high level of commitment and excellence. If you are an entrepreneur in this industry, you are a kind of in next level. You are not the typical entrepreneur out there plotting along, chasing over shiny objects. As an entrepreneur, you are committed to that next level. So what is it that you need to do right now? What is it? What is that extra effort that you need to put into your business that will take not only your business, not only you, your team members, your prospects, your customers to that next level? What is it right now that you need to put in your reputation that will affect your prospects, your team members positively to the next level? What is it? Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember that if you don't have this skill set, you can never. It's not the magic. You won't be able to build a high performance organization. So if you're interested in acquiring this skill set, you can click on the link below. Opt in your name and email to get your 10 days free bootcamp. You can also visit my page, Ogo Hillary. You click on the learn more. Opt in also to get your 10 days free bootcamp. That's if you are interested to get this skill set. You can also visit my YouTube channel. Click on the link below. There are links there you click on. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Stay tuned for another day.